Today we're out at Colombia again. Gonna do some fishing, or not fishing. People are fishing, but I'm going to be kayaking. It's pretty humid, and we're getting in the water about 10:20, so hopefully it won't be too bad. The water's down, but it is pretty muddy. And we borrowed a kayak from our buddy Joey for Casey to paddle around on. So looks good. Look at the water swirling. It's gonna be fun for sure.
Oh, we got the GoPro going on.
That's right. Casey, looking good. Look like you know what you're doing out here.
It's all an act. That's not true. I know what I'm doing.
Here it goes. I'm coming right for you.
Doink.
It does. It looks pretty good. Look at that face. Look at the mud on her boat. Jesus. Clean your boat, woman.
Your boat's not looking clean.
Man, it's really flowing. Holy crap. This river's really flowing.
No work today. Yeah, definitely easier.
Yeah, this is my kind of kayaking right here. Of course, if you drop anything in the water, you're never going to find it. So make sure your lockbox is locked. Casey's new kayak.
It's tied up. Yeah. Someone's coming back. That wasn't it. It was blue, but that wasn't it, was it?
No, definitely not it. So someone's like, he'll come back for it. Oh, look, it has removable hatches and stuff. He doesn't have a registration.
A rope to jump in the lake with. Nature's rope.
Yeah. I done broke it.
GoPro, take picture.
Broke your camera.
It started recording. Oh, you gotta sing it. You gotta sing row, row, row backwards.
Oh, okay, ready?
Uh-huh.
Dream about his life, merrily, merrily, merrily. Merrily stream went down gently. Boat your row, row, row.
Boat your row, row, row.
Boat your row, row, row.
was weird. Yeah! Class 1! Maybe. Oh! Oh, it's so crazy. I can barely hold it together. Oh, you might be able to get through on the one side there.
You can get through that little spot. Yeah.
Oh, look and check out these nests these birds built. Look at this nest up in the corner. They're like little mud huts.
Nah, I don't think you can stick me there. Actually, it's probably good. Go into that little corner.
Losers.
Advances, you go straight. Oh my god, look how cute these dolls are in the water. Go pro shake up here.
Yeah. There she is. Look how much.
Flash.
Yeah. Mm. All right.
We'll switch the water.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna help you as much as I can.
Oh my
You're
God.
already in the mud.
No.
Oh my God.
You could throw me the tow rope.
Do what?
Ready?
No, Casey's just better than you right now.
There's no traction.
I don't have any traction. Oh, here we go.
Bring the tractor down here and fix this shit.
Yeah.
I need a walking stick.
Oh man, someone left their giant oar. Case?
Let's take it!
Casey!
Oh. I thought you put it down.